Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, how are you? Hope you are fine and doing well. So I'm now announcing the Canva course and Canva course introduction. Basically, this video is the introduction for Canva, and inshallah, I will make videos on Canva, and inshallah, we will cover each part, best possible parts of the Canva tool, so we can learn the Canva tool in detail, and might be many dozens of video will be inshallah upload about the Canva, and I will give you an example for and just I'm sharing the screen, and I asked the chat GPT for the topic ideas, and he recommend the chat GPT recommend me almost the 50 plus title video title for the uh, here you can check. This is the title, and inshallah these are will be covered in the course, and this will be course will be uploaded on YouTube, and maybe in Facebook, but YouTube this channel visuals voila, and we will cover each and possible part of the Canva, and then we will maybe after the tool we will go to the design theory. So yes, this is the introduction video for the introduction video for the Canva tool. Canva is a graphic design tool, so you can design a lot of things, a lot of plenty of things from this tool. And first I will introduce I will compare the software after this video. Inshallah, I will upload the comparison of the Canva with the different software, what's pros and cons, Canva and other softwares. Then, meanwhile, we will learn the multiple tools of the Canva, and then we can design the multiple things like social media, banner, post, Pinterest pin, YouTube thumbnail, and all of that things inshallah we will cover in this tool. So why are you creating this course? The main thing is the main agenda behind of this two personal branding. By creating this course, I will brand myself, and and I also invite you to make a YouTube channel or whatever or content what you are doing or what you have knowledge, what you knowledge you have. So because in the YouTube we need the content, education content is always the people's needs. So yeah, but it doesn't mean whatever you know, share with the public, share with the face on the Facebook or social media platform. And meanwhile, my English is not my mother tongue, but my first language. But I will try to speak in English as much as I can. And meanwhile, my speaking skills will be more, inshallah, more will be improved by making this course of the Canva. And after that, inshallah, maybe after these tools, we will cover the design theory. And the main thing is, from my belief, is that the two things. Number one is your skills. Okay, whatever skills you were learning in the freelancing, and then the number second thing is uh, your marketing skills or your branding skills, or your freelancing platform, or how much you are active on freelancing platform, or your cold mailing, or your personal branding. Okay, and market yourself. By market yourself, you will get client. Otherwise, no matter how much you expert in your field, nobody knows you if you not brand yourself. That's why I'm making this course. That's why all of that, I think main major peoples are doing personal branding by this thing. Okay, so we will create a lot of inshallah a lot of stuff. And yeah, so this is the course and the course introduction. So I will next make a video on the comparison. So bye, take care, Allah Hafiz.